Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir. Here you have a question, sir. Let us explore a small question. Okay. I have taken a compound called aluminum carbide.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I have taken a compound called aluminum carbide. Okay. This hanging nonsense. Oh my God. Aluminum carbide is added with water. You got a gas anti. Anti is added with chlorine. Only 1 mole in presence of light. You got boy. Boy is treated with sodium and dry ether. You got chutney. Chutney is heated at 450 degrees centigrade. You got donkey. Now donkey is treated with bromine. You got elephant. 1 mole. Now elephant is treated with first alcoholic KOH and then sodamide NaNH2. You got frog. Frog is treated with water in presence of HgSO4 and H2SO4. You got girl. Girl is in equilibrium with her friend. Oh, ABCDEFGH. Okay. Girl is in equilibrium with her friend H. Now, what is the IUPAC name of H? That is the question. Come on. How long you take to answer this question? Yes. Sir, that is the scheme. First of all, what is anti, sir?
Sir,
What is anti?
acetylene.
No.
It will be an alkane.
No. If I put calcium carbide in water, I get acetylene.
Yes, sir.
The calcium carbide is called acetylide. It is not aluminum carbide. I kept aluminum carbide. Come on. Aluminum carbide and beryllium carbide, when kept in water, behave alike. Aluminum, beryllium are diagonally related. When aluminum carbide is kept in water, you get methane. Therefore, it is called methanide. Along with aluminum hydroxide. When methane is subjected to monochlorination, you will get bi. But what is bi?
CH3Cl.
CH3Cl, chloromethane or methyl chloride. When methyl chloride reacts with sodium in dry ether, what do you get?
Ethane.
That is Wood's reaction, you get ethane, CH3. When that is heated at 450 degrees, what you will get? Heating the alkane at 450 is called pyrolysis. In pyrolysis, ethane will lose a hydrogen to give ethene. When ethane reacts with bromine, the reddish brown color will disappear. What is elephant?
Bromoidine.
What is its formula, man?
CH2, CH3, CH.
No, you are adding bromine, breaking a double bond. Here 1 Br, here 1 Br. 2 Brs are added, one is up, one is down. 1,2-dibromoethane, otherwise called as ethylidene bromide. Okay. So elephant is 1,2-dibromoethane. When it is treated with first alcoholic KOH and then NaNH2, what do you get?
Ethine.
This is a method of preparation of ethane or acetylene.
Acetylene.
When acetylene is treated with water in presence of mercuric sulfate and sulfuric acid, you get GARD. What is GARD?
Sir,
What is
vinyl alcohol.
it? Is vinyl alcohol. When vinyl alcohol is in equilibrium, you are getting acetaldehyde.
Sir, please
So
tell G, sir.
IUPAC name of H is ethanol. Ethanol. That's the answer. It is a standard IIT mains question.
Sir, from G, sir. Please tell.
What did you say?
From G, sir.
G is vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol undergo isomerization to give acetaldehyde. That is called tautomerism. It is vinyl alcohol. It is vinyl alcohol. When the pi electron goes to carbon, it gets minus charge. This carbon gets 3 bonds, so this will go there. This carbon, because it got minus charge, it combines with the H plus. Ethanol.
Sir, what sir,
This phenomena is called tautomerism. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
When this is subjected to aqueous solution, electrolysis, you will be getting anti plus carbon dioxide at anode. Now the anti is treated with sodium. One more. We got boy. Boy is treated with ethyl chloride. You got chutney. When chutney is treated with Tollens reagent, silver nitrate, you got donkey. What is donkey? I don't know. Sir, you have not read the book, I am afraid.
Sir, A is ethine.
This on cold electrolysis gives acetylene as one of the products at anode. When it reacts with sodamide, you will be getting sodium acetylide. Monosodium acetylide on treatment with ethyl chloride gives CH3, CH2, C triple bond CH, 1 butane. 1 butane on treatment with silver nitrate Tollens reagent gives silver butyride. CH3, CH2, C triple bond CH, a white precipitate.
Yes.
Do we know that when acetylene is passed through red hot copper tube or iron tube, I get benzene due to trimerization. If it is subjected to high pressure and temperature, you get polyacetylene. Polyacetylene is a plastic, it is a good conductor of electricity, it is water resistant, it is light, it is cheap. So, look at this. When acetylene is passed through red hot iron copper tube at 870, 3 moles got combined to get benzene. When
One
under
mole.
suitable pressure and temperature, acetylene combines with itself to give a linear polymer, is a good conductor of electricity. When acetylene reacts with water in presence of HSO4, H2SO4, you get vinyl alcohol, the tautomerizes to give ethanol. When propane reacts with water in HSO4, H2SO4, you get a propanol. The 2-propanol tautomerizes to give acetone or propanonyl polymorph. The propane reacts with HBr according to Markovnikov. You get 2-bromopropene that reacts with again HBr to give 2,2-dibromopropane. The acetylene reacts with HBr to give vinyl bromide or bromoethene that again reacts with HBr to give 1,1-dibromoethane.
Yes, sir.
When propane reacts with bromine, you get the pi bond breaks, you get 1,2-dibromopropane. Again, it reacts with second mole to give 1,1,2,2-tetrabromopropan. Notice 1,1,2,2 tetrachloroethane is called Vestron. Vestron is an industrial solvent. When when acetylene is reduced with hydrogen in palladium, platinum, hydrogen keeps on adding to get alkane. However, if you use palladium, barium sulfate or sodium and ammonia, only 1 mole of hydrogen is added, it stops at alkene. This is a reaction called electrophilic addition on alkene. The first step is vinylic cation that combines with Z minus. We have already discussed this reaction. Acetylene reacts with sodium to give sodium acetate. Sodium acetate reacts with alkyl halide to give higher alkyne. Sodium acetate reacts again with sodium to give disodium acetate.
Yes, sir. Like sodium or cyclide.
We already agreed upon that the electronegativity of sp hybridized carbon is more, therefore acetylene is more acidic. Lower alkanes are gases, highest alkanes are waxy solids, intermediate or liquids. One can make an alkane by heating 1,2-dihalo compound with alcoholic KOH and NaNH2. Some fellows are joining now, but the time is almost over. Sir, there is no substitute. You have to read the textbook thoroughly.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the preparation of alkynes from calcium carbide and dibromoalkanes. And this is nomenclature. I already said that in alkyne there is a cylindrical symmetry of electron cloud. This is nomenclature. Unless you buy heart the textbook, I can't go ahead. Please read the textbook. You have to read the textbook 100%. After completing this, we have only left out with this portion. The only portion left out now at this point of time. Aroma means good smell. Aromatic compounds, parent aromatic compound is benzene. Benzene is having a formula C6H6. Notice C6H6, you can compare it with alkane. What is the formula of alkane with 6 carbons?
It has double the hydrogen benzene has.
What is the formula of alkane with 6 hydrogens?
Oh, sorry, sir. With the 6 hydrogen.
C6H14.
C2H6.
When compared with that C6H14, the benzene C6H6 has 8 hydrogens less. 8 hydrogens less means 8 by 2. Degree of unsaturation is 4. If degree of unsaturation is 4, it can probably have 4 rings, or it can have a 3 rings and a double bond. It can have 2 rings and 2 double bonds. It can have 1 ring and 3 double bonds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
Yes
can
or
have
no?
1 ring and 3 double ones also possible.
Sir, this benzene is regarded as parent aromatic compound. Aroma means fragrance. These compounds have good smell. Smell is a good smell. Aroma is an important character of good food. What are the characters of good food, sir?
Good
What
smell.
qualities you look for good food? Come on. Can you make a list of
Sir,
10 qualities of good food?
Good smell.
You should
Sir,
have
good
good
taste.
fragrance is first option. Next. You should have good taste is second option. Next.
Good to see.
You should have a good appeal. That's very important. Next.
Yes, sir.
It should be fresh.
Should be fresh. Very good. Excellent. Next fifth character.
It contain more nutrients or energy like things.
It should be more healthy, balanced. Very
Yes,
good.
yes,
Sixth.
yes.
Seventh character. Seventh character.
It should be light food.
What did you say?
Sir, it should be not that much heavy food, sir. Means like
Okay.
so much.
Also, the food should have long bench life. If you make the food, it should not get spoiled easily. And also, it should be readily preparable. It should be easily transportable. It should be cheaper. Right?
Yes, sir.
So, to increase the bench life of food, normally we use chemicals like sodium benzoate. On benzene, you have to put COONA. Sodium benzoate is a food preservative used in ice creams also.
Yes, sir.
Even uneducated ladies are aware of sodium benzoate. And sodium benzoate is made from benzene. Once upon a time, benzene was widely used even in Hyderabad city. It was a household chemical used for dry washing, for cleaning. Widely benzene was used. But nowadays, benzene is not so widely used. Why like that?
Pollution, carbon.
Benzene is supposed to cause cancer. Anything that causes cancer is called carcinogenic. The benzene, the toluene, when 2 benzenes are fused, we get naphthalene. Are you seeing my screen? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
The benzene, the toluene, the naphthalene, and the biphenyl all are aromatic compounds, all have good smell. And in this, benzene is used in household activities. Today, it is thought that these aromatic compounds are causing cancer, carcinogenic.
yes.
Okay. You try to cover this aspect, nomenclature and isomerism. Yes, sir. Now, most importantly, anything that causes cancer is called carcinogenic. Nowadays, benzene is not widely used because of its carcinogenic character. Do you know there is a fruit called custard apple?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
To
sir.
the family of custard apple is called sitafal. To the family of custard apple, you have another plant. Hello. Good morning, Amma. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes
sir.
it's getting turned off. So I was wondering, benzene is a carcinogenic material, and you know about custard apples, right?
Yes.
Do you know? There
You
is
know.
a custard apple is called sitafal. You know it? It's called sitafal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is a similar fruit called ramafal. Have you heard about it?
No.
No, sir.
No,
It
sir.
is. There is another fruit called Hanuman fal or Annona muricata. That Hanuman fal Annona muricata, which looks like a small size jackfruit, Annona muricata, let us see what it is. That is supposed to cure cancer.
Goyaban or something, right, sir?
That is known as sour soup. I will show you. Sour soup in English. Sour soup. Fruit uses. Why we are talking about it? Because benzene is supposed to cause cancer. Carcinogenic material, cancer is treatable by this fruit. It is looking like a small jackfruit. It is small really, but it has a strange taste. It is called graviola in European countries. This is the source of fruit.
Yes, sir.
Is a fruit of Annona muricata. And let us see its uses. Okay.
Looking like apple, sir.
Yeah, it is not apple. It looks like a small jackfruit.
Yes, sir.
It is sold in Amazon. Yes, sir. Hello. Every time I'm going back, miss, that's a problem. Anyway, I'll go back and accept you, right? Hello, can you see this fruit? Let
Yes,
me
sir.
admit somebody. Somebody wants to get admitted. There is a big problem. Whenever I am going to admit, my time is getting killed.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. He says he got disconnected. Okay. Okay. Bear with the inconvenience. We are studying about an interesting fruit. It is the juice of that fruit. This is the way it looks like. It helps to kill cancer cells. Extensive research has been done on the unique organic compounds of the source fruit, and it has been widely studied as an alternative way of reducing the risk of cancer. It has been found to stop the growth and formation of cancer cells when a study looked at the effects of source soup extract on leukemia cells. Leukemia means blood cancer.
Yes,
In
sir.
breast cancer cells, it was able to reduce tumor size, especially ladies get breast cancer, and it is recommended as a medicine. It kill off cancer cells and enhance the activity of the immune system. It helps to contain the bacteria too. It addresses skin problems, but its seed is toxic. One should know that. Even the custard apple seed is toxic. You should not eat this seed.
Yes.
It is supposed to boost up the immunity. It improves gastrointestinal health. And it is a pain reliever. It is the way the plant looks. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So many people want to know about it because, cancer is a big problem. Okay? Thank you. So I was talking about what? About
Benzene.
benzene and its carcinogenic nature.
Yes, sir.
And of course, somebody wants to join now. When time is, we are about to close our shop. Anyway, now the problem is how to prepare benzene. First, benzene was originally isolated by Michael Faraday. There was illuminating oil. In good old days in 1850, there was no power in Hyderabad city. They used to lit the lamps on the streets. Further, they were using an oil called illuminating oil. From illuminating oil, benzene was separated by Michael Faraday for the first time. If you burn the wood, you get what is called as charcoal.
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 When charcoal is heated in the absence of air, it is called destructive distillation. In destructive distillation, you will be getting a charcoal on destructive distillation gives 4 parts: light oil, middle oil,
Heavy oil.
heavy oil, green color anthracene oil. In this, from light oil, you can get benzene. Once upon a time, we used to discuss in detail about this, but it is out of syllabus, so let's not worry about it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So now, if you want benzene, this compound is available in market called sodium benzoate. It is a food preservative. If you add sodium hydroxide and CaO called soda lime, you get benzene. You saw a similar method when CH3COONA sodium mustate was heated with soda lime.
Soda lime. Then it will give CH3CH2 ethane.
You got methane. Na2CO3 removed.
So
This method of removing Na2CO3 is called decarboxylation. This is a method to prepare benzene. In the market, you have phenol. phenol is used for cleaning bathrooms.
Yes, sir.
When phenol is distilled with the zinc, you get benzene. You have a gas called acetylene. It is obtained by heating, by adding water to calcium carbide. You saw in the last lesson.
Yes, sir. Yes,
When
sir.
3 moles of acetylene join together, when you pass through hot copper or iron tube,
Yes, sir. At hot iron tube.
you get happily benzene.
Benzene.
There is one compound available in the market called Grignard reagent, phenyl magnesium bromide, for example. When this is added with water, urgently you get benzene.
Benzene and
Phenyl magnesium
bromide.
bromide. Its formula is C6H5MgBr.
It's Benzene.
Always in Grignard reagent, carbon part is negative, MgBr part is positive. The negative part will take H plus, positive part will take L minus. So you get C6H6 or benzene. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also, you have a compound called benzene diazonium. Di means 2, azo means nitrogen, em means plus. Benzene diazonium chloride. If you are adding water and H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid, beautiful amount of benzene. But I tell you, all this is a stupid ideas to make benzene. If you pay 30 rupees, you can get 1 bottle benzene in the open market. It is a cheap chemical. So these are the methods of preparation of benzene. Benzene is regarded as a compound that has pleasant smell, aromatic compound, parent aromatic compound. The compounds which have a cyclic system and 4n plus 2 pi electrons are regarded as aromatic compounds. In benzene, it is a cyclic system and it has n value 1. So 4 into 1 plus 2, 6 pi electrons it has. So it is aromatic.
Aromatic. Yes.
So aromatic compound must be cyclic. It must have double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, alternate conjugate double bonds.
Conjugate system.
And it should obey Huckel's rule with 4n plus 2 pi electrons. N is an arbitrary number, can be 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, if you look at this compound, it is called naphthalene. It is also known as moth repellent ball. It is also aromatic.
Yes, sir.
If you look at this compound, methyl group on benzene, it is toluene. Toluene is also aromatic. Notice that in all these structures, you can write alternate double bonds, or else you can write alternate double bonds like this. Both are identical resonance forms. Simply you can write benzene like a, just put a circle.
Circle in middle.
So that is
Aromatic.
delocalized. The pi electrons keep on delocalized. That is indicated by a circle. So it is a delocalized pi electron system on benzene ring. If you look at this is the benzene ring. There is an electron cloud above and there is an electron cloud below. So benzene is an electron rich system. Anybody who wants electrons, namely electrophiles, approach benzene. The reactions of benzene are such that the H plus is replaced by E plus. The double bonds are not affected. If you sacrifice double bonds, benzene will lose aromatic character. It loses stability. So benzene never likes to sacrifice the double bonds. Benzene is not interested in addition reactions because in addition pi bonds are lost. It is interested to replace H plus with other electrophiles. Hence, benzene undergo aromatic, electrophilic substitution reactions. Are we clear on this?
Yes.
So that's
Clear,
about
sir.
benzene. And this is the introductory session on benzene. By day after tomorrow, we will be completing benzene. Probably today it's Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, we try to complete. If not, by next Tuesday. Once you complete benzene, your syllabus is over. Then we plan revision. The revision is in the form of doing problems in each topic. Okay? So probably by
Yes.
Wednesday we close this. Are you very clear with what we are doing? Hello?
Clear, sir. Clear. Sir,
So
we
you
are
have to
clear, sir.
post your doubts. You have to read the textbook thoroughly. You have to do as many questions as possible. You see, basic rules as to how to swim, anybody can tell. If you want to play an instrument, basic musical notes anybody will tell. But your scholastic
Yes, sir.
ability depends on how much practice you do. You understand? Your teacher
Understand, sir.
contributes only 1%. 99% you have to help yourself, mind you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So with that note, I am
Yes, sir.
closing today's session. God bless you. Be seeing you tomorrow. Please read the textbook without fail. Okay, sir?
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Junaid. Junaid. Respond, man.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Junaid. Each one of you, are you solving problems from Cengage?
Yes, sir. Solving, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Solving.
sir.
I'm hearing only from 2-3. Madani, Isa, Aijas,
Yes, sir. Solving.
Abdur Rahman, Abrar,
Solving, sir.
Adnan, Saidur Rahman,
Solving.
Yes, sir. Solving.
Junaid, Sufyan, Zaid. सब लोग solving.